Hello, we are back here at Echo Valley to go rock climbing. That's the rock.
Rock climbing and the wall climbing is very different. Rock climbing is harder than wall climbing. The rock climbing is 400 unlimited climb. You can do it all day long. Yeah.
All day long.
Manual is better than the auto belaying.
So, give me some advice here. What's the easiest route?
At the right side, sir, here.
Just right.
That's the chalk bag for grip set of
Yes.
gloves. Ken is now starting his ascent, belaying. So there's always a support.
Green tape.
Are you from where?
From here. Okay, tension.
Okay, tension. And we're so tense here now. Been anybody who fell?
Oh no.
No. Okay. No accidents.
No.
Ah, that's good.
At the right side. Just on the right.
You're halfway there, Ken.
Almost half.
Yes. Okay, it's Hannah's turn.
Wait. Green tape, right side.
Here?
Yeah.
You can do it, Hannah.
Okay, that's it. More. Lift. Nice one.
All right. Good. Good. You're already so tiny in my camera, so you've already gone far. Yay! So Ken and Hannah conquer that tall rock over there. They've climbed the summit. This is John of Art. Don't do this at home. Bye for now. Boink.